So you have officially bought your website template for Squarespace, but now you want to start using it, right? So when you log into Squarespace, it's going to bring you to this home page. And this is where you will see the very last website that you were busy with, that you downloaded, that you edited, anything that you worked on, it pops here. But what happens if you've bought multiple websites, multiple templates that you want to start using? Well, you're going to have to go to dashboard. If it didn't already pop you to dashboard, you're going to go down here now. I don't know if you can see it. This is my logo. Once you click there, you're going to get to dashboard. This is where you're going to get all of your templates that you've bought, everything that you have permission to edit. Now, one thing I'm going to suggest is when you want to start customizing each one of the templates or whichever one you decide to use, I would say make a duplicate of it first. So when you create a duplicate, when you create a copy, you can experiment as much as you want. You can play around with the colors, you can play around with images, you can even delete pages, whether it's by accident or on purpose. And it's not going to be the end of the world because you still have your original. So it gives you that freedom to play around with your template, with your website, and really customize it and make it your own. So how do you go about actually creating a duplicate? Easy, you just click on these three little dots, and then you're going to see duplicate your website. Bam, that's it. Now your website is going to get duplicated. It takes a little bit of time. There we go. Now when you scroll to the bottom, there's your duplicate. This wasn't there before. How do you access it? You're going to click website, and it takes you right back to home page, but you're going to see here, now it has the duplicate that you just created. How do you edit it? Okay, first thing, you're going to go to website over here, and this is where you'll see the pages that are in your menu. If you don't like the order of your pages or the name of your pages, firstly, the order, you can change it around. It's just a drag function, which is pretty nice. If you don't like the name, you want to rename it, you're going to click on the little cog, and there we go, you can change your page title. So as an example, and you're going to hit save. Oh, that didn't save. Okay, let's try again quickly. Oh, page, there we go. Navigation title, sorry. It's the navigation title. There we go. You can see it changed. So what happened? What did I do there? Well, when you click services, or services 3 in this case, you're going to see it changed that title. That's what I accidentally did in the first place. This would be what pops up here when you open, like you can see on my other tabs, that is what they would have changed. So when someone opens that specific page, that title is what pops up. So you can actually customize that entirely. So let's just change that page title again. I'll show you. Can you see? That changed, but that didn't. So yeah, it gives you quite a lot of control. Change that back because that annoys me. It gives you quite a lot of control. So next I want to talk about how to create a style guide and why you need one.